This video explains all LoopPad functions related to track volume, level, pan, fade and swell, and feedback. Track level 0 is straightforward. It sets the volume to full, which is level 0. Track level +5 increases it in increments of 5. Track level -5 decreases it in increments of 5. And assigning a MIDI controller to track volume provides continuous control. After assigning a MIDI command or pad to track level -5 or +5, each command or press reduces or increases the selected track or track's level by 5%. If a track's level has been reduced, track level 0 will return it to full. The track pan controller function works the same as that of track level. There is no incremental control of plus or -5 in the functions sections, however. The only pan control there is pan center. Using a MIDI controller for volume entails selecting a controller number by either selecting it manually or connecting the controller and sending a message by moving a pedal or rotary, then selecting the controller function drop-down menu. Here you select the volume, feedback, or pan for either the currently selected track or any of the 8 tracks. Feedback is analogous to an audio delay line. Each time a track reaches its end, the feedback level determines what percentage the audio sample is reduced. This is destructive. It cannot be increased once reduced. If the sample is allowed to be fully reduced, it is effectively erased. Feedback level always relates to the current state of the track, never its original state. For example, if you apply feedback -5%, the audio sample will be reduced 5% each time the loop repeats. If you then apply feedback -5% 3 times in succession, the feedback level now becomes -20%. If you then apply feedback +10%, the feedback will be -10%. No level of feedback will make a track increase in volume. 100% feedback only means the track volume will not be reduced, but will remain in its current state. One of the uses of feedback is to cause tracks to gradually decrease in volume. If you apply negative feedback to a track and let it play, it will eventually be silent and cannot be recovered. Fade and swell automatically fade a track out or up. The fade and swell time is set by the volume fade time menu in the second to last row of the main tab of the app. The fade swell function toggles between fade and swell. One command fades the selected track or tracks, the next causes them to swell. In part 2 of this video, I will demonstrate these functions in action.